Assalamu alaikum and welcome all. I hope that you are enjoying a happy and healthy life. I'm your gardener friend who's successfully gardening in Gulf from last 15 years. In today's video, you will be watching some of the clips and photos from my gardens gallery, which will prove that it is possible for you too to produce your own fruits and vegetables while living in small spaces and even in this hot climate of Gulf. And viewers, meanwhile, I would like to share the objective of making this channel also. The main objective behind making this channel is to share all my experiences and experiments to help and to motivate the gardeners, especially who are living in Gulf. Because I feel that not enough information, or you can say not enough guidance, is available on the internet about gardening in extremely hot climates. Through this channel, you would be enjoying so many cost effective, manageable, time efficient, and fruitful gardening tips, which will assure you successful gardening. I will also tell you that how can you do sustainable gardening by using minimum resources, and you can say by using available resources. In fact, friends, my channel will help you overcome this misconception that it's nearly impossible to keep your plants alive and fresh throughout the year in Gulf. My plants are alive and fresh. I enjoy growing seasonal fruits and vegetables throughout the year while we are living in UAE. I have already prepared a video that how to keep your plants fresh in this burning summer. You can find its link in the description box below. According to my experience, gardening requires nothing but patience and a little hard work. And I have gathered these tips over the period of 15 years through many trials and experiments. I hope that these tips will be useful for you as well. So inshallah, I will be coming to you with a new video every Friday. Till then, stay blessed and Allah Hafiz.